Unlocking little, mastering its use with uncountable nouns. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to delve into a key element of English grammar, the word little, and its application with uncountable nouns. This might seem little challenging at first, but trust me, by the end of this video, you will be using little like a pro. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of using little, let's do a quick recap on uncountable nouns. These are nouns that cannot be counted because they refer to things that cannot be separated or counted individually. Examples include milk, money, love, happiness, information, and more. Now that we're clear on uncountable nouns, let's dive into our main topic, using little. In English, little is used to show that there is a small amount of something, and it's especially used with uncountable nouns. For instance, we say, I have little time, or there is little milk left in the bottle. Interestingly, little is not just about size or amount. It also conveys a sense of insufficiency. When we say, she has little patience, we're implying that she does not have as much patience as needed. Little is used when the amount is less than expected or less than might be wished for. Now, here comes an important distinction. There's a subtle difference between little and a little. A little also indicates a small quantity but without implying insufficiency. It's slightly more positive than little. For example, I have a little money means that I have some money, not a lot, but it might be enough for my needs. And that's a wrap. Now you know the ins and outs of using little with uncountable nouns. Remember, practice makes perfect. Start applying little and a little in your conversations and watch your English skills soar. I hope this video was helpful. Until next time, keep exploring, and remember, every little bit of learning counts.